Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Learn English with Stories. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support helps us create more fun lessons for you. Today, we'll explore the story of the United States, from its past to its present, and even imagine its future. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. The Past. A New World Begins. The First People. Long, long ago, thousands of years before cars, phones, or cities, the first people came to America. They walked from Asia over a frozen land bridge to Alaska. They lived. These people were the ancestors of Native Americans. They lived with nature, hunted animals, and told stories around fires. Can you imagine a life without electricity or supermarkets? That's how Europeans arrive. Centuries later, in 1492, a man named Christopher Columbus sailed from Europe, searching for a new route to Asia. Instead, he found the Americas. Soon, more Europeans came: Spanish, French, and British. They built colonies, small towns by the ocean. In 1620, a ship called the Mayflower brought English settlers called Pilgrims. They met Native Americans, who taught them to grow corn and survive the cold winters. But life was hard, and conflicts began: freedom and revolution. By the 1700s, Britain controlled 13 colonies in America. But the colonists wanted freedom. They said, "No taxation without representation," meaning they shouldn't pay taxes without a voice in government. In 1776, leaders like George Washington and Thomas Jefferson wrote the Declaration of Independence. This started the Revolutionary War. After 8 years, America won. In 1787, they created the U.S. Constitution, a set of rules for the new country. George Washington became the first president. The U.S. flag had 13 stars, one for each colony, a divided nation. But America had a big problem: slavery. Many people in the South used enslaved Africans for farm work. The North wanted to end slavery. In 1861, this disagreement led to the Civil War. President Abraham Lincoln fought to keep the country united and free enslaved people. After 4 terrible years, the North won. Slavery ended, but racism remained. Still, the U.S. began to heal and grow stronger. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this story, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's travel to modern America. Part 2. The Present. A land of diversity and innovation. A nation of immigrants. Today, the U.S. is often called a melting pot, a mix of cultures, languages, and traditions. After the Civil War, millions of immigrants came from Europe, Asia, and Latin America. They brought new foods, like pizza and tacos, music, and ideas. Cities like New York and Los Angeles became symbols of diversity. Even now, people come to America for the American dream, the hope of a better life through hard work. Technology and pop culture. Modern America leads in technology. Think of Steve Jobs, Apple, Bill Gates, Microsoft, or Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX. We use their inventions every day: smartphones, social media, electric cars. American movies, Hollywood, music, jazz, rock, hip-hop, and sports, basketball, baseball, are popular worldwide. Who's your favorite actor or singer? Maybe Tom Hanks or Taylor Swift. Challenges today. But life isn't perfect. The U.S. faces problems like climate change, political disagreements, and inequality. Movements like Black Lives Matter fight for justice. Many Americans work hard to make the country fairer and greener. What changes would you make if you were president? Now let's imagine the future. What will America look like in 100 years? Part 3. The Future, Dreams and Possibilities. Green Energy and Cities. Many hope America will use more solar and wind energy. Cities might have electric buses, clean air, and parks everywhere. Maybe you'll live in a house powered by the sun. Scientists could invent ways to stop climate change. Would you like to be a scientist someday? Space and technology. Elon Musk wants humans to live on Mars. Future Americans might explore space, discover new planets, or meet aliens. Robots could help with chores, and virtual reality might feel as real as life. What futuristic invention excites you? A united world. Perhaps America will lead in peace, uniting countries to solve hunger, disease, and war. Schools might teach kindness and teamwork. Maybe you will study in the US one day and share your culture. The future is full of hope. And that's the story of the United States. Did you enjoy it? If yes, please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more stories. Let us know in the comments. What part of American history interests you the most? Thanks for learning with us. Keep practicing English, and who knows, maybe you'll visit the US someday. Bye for now.